And it's time, so please prepare yourself. Gooi dop, maak 'n koppie koffie, wees lekker rustig daar in jou kantoor. Waar jy ook al is, ons gaan oor presies 2 minute begin. Julle het ons dop gebring. Jy moet 'n hoed kry hier op. Steven, wat het jy met die hoed gemaak? Hy gaan. Wat het jy verluister? Sou iemand nie approef is nie. Daar gaan 'n video sien wat dit staat om. Ek sal sê jy sit af, sit aan wat ons gaan. Thanks. By penskola. Yes. Ja. Hi, dames en here, it's time to start. Goeiemôre dames en here, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to our auction here this morning in Krugersdorp. It's a lekker warm oggend. Ek moet net so lank reël Steven, julle moet iemand moet reël dat ek net my hoed kry hoor, want ek gaan brand hierso. Maar as 'n baie lekker dag hier in Krugersdorp. Baie welkom aan almal hierso. And also very welcome this morning to all our AgriMag truck and trailer auction bid auction that are with us today, that we are doing a combined effort over here on this auction today, so it's an on-site online. Welcome to all our auction bids guys, and then ook baie welkom aan al ons Meerkat aanlyn kopers weer eens. Baie dankie Meerkat vir al julle getroue ondersteuning. I can just tell you, ladies and gentlemen, in total we have approximately 60 registered bidders online today. Right, dames en here. Ek gaan gou die terms en voorwaardes doen. I'll do all the terms and conditions of the auction. If there are any questions here on the floor, then we will take them. Otherwise, alternatively, we will start. We've just got over 47 lots today, so it's gaan nie baie lank vat nie. So we ask you to bid fervently, dan kan ons lekker vroeg klaar maak vandag. So daar's ten minste 1 lot vir elke persoon wat geregistreer het vandag. So maak seker jy koop. En ons gaan nie tande trek vandag nie. We're not going to take our time on the lot, so please bid fervently. We're going to start every machine today, and so that you can see it online as well. Right, ladies and gentlemen, first of all, you have to be registered to participate in this auction. Jy moet geregistreer wees om deel te neem van die veiling. So for online people that are following also today, if you still want to register for the auction, we've got our teams that are ready to assist you and do it very quickly. Right then, ladies and gentlemen, today please note that your bid will be held. This is not a subject to finance auction. Jy sal na jou bod toe gehou word. So I'm asking very nicely today, if you bid, please don't bid if you can't pay. Moet asseblief nie 'n hero wees en voor almal lekker jou hand opsteek en die hele veiling uitkoop en jy kan nie betaal nie. If you need to do finance, we will allow you the time for the finance, but on the terms that you pay us a 10% deposit plus VAT today. A 10% deposit plus VAT today, and we'll allow you 20 or let's call it 30 days to do the necessary financing should you want to go the financing route. Right then, ladies and gentlemen, today's auction, there is only a 7.5% commission payable on top of your bid. 7.5% commissie betaalbaar bo op jou bod. And that is plus BTW. Every item here today is sold plus VAT. So 7.5% on top of your bid. But as I said, the auction is not subject to finance, so you will be held to your bid. Payments, ladies and gentlemen, should be made within 24 hours. Asseblief betaal vir ons binne 24 uur. En dan sou jy wel reëlings gemaak het vir finansiering, moet dit ook dadelik gedoen word. Geen item sal verwyder word sonder daar betaling is nie. No item will be made if you will be allowed to be removed if you haven't made payment. All right. Ladies and gentlemen, if registration papers are applicable, which is in most of the stuff today, we will highlight such, and the transfer of ownership should take place within 21 days after the item is bought. There's a charge of R1,000 per vehicle today with registration papers, which allows us to dealer stock it and register it and help you register it on your name. So dit word dadelik gedealer stock, word afgehaal en moet dan, soos ek sê, binne 21 dae op jou naam geregistreer word of die entiteit wat jy wil inkoop. Alright, Joe. Right then, ladies and gentlemen, all the information today has been given to us by the sellers, and broker auctions will not take responsibility for incorrect information. Nou baie belangrik vir al ons aanlyn kopers vandag. Ladies and gentlemen, we will portray the exact condition, or more or less exact condition of every item that is sold today. You'll see that online we will also start every vehicle before the time so that you can see it. If there's any default, if I'm talking about a major default, if we tell you this is a good runner, the truck's in good condition, and you come to pick it up after you've paid it, and there's the gearbox doesn't work at all, or there's a knock in the engine, or the olie spuit uit hom uit, no questions asked, we will cancel the transaction and pay you your money back immediately without any penalty. So baie belangrik, dames en here. We're trying to be the honest guys, so we are telling you no questions asked, but please do not, if we say it's in a good condition, and you come to pick it up, and all of a sudden you don't like what you bought, en daar's 'n klein chip op die venster, of daar's 'n klein duitjie in die kant in, asseblief, ek gaan nie jou geld teruggee vir dit nie. So please, we portray the condition of the trucks or the vehicles that we're selling to the best of our ability. And as I said, any major default in the vehicle, other than what we portrayed, we pay you your money back, no questions asked. Righto, dames en here, jy sal hê tot die 23ste Augustus om jou items te verwyder, en die laai en die vervoer daarvan is jou eie verantwoordelikheid. It is your own responsibility to do that. You can do it in conjunction with us. We'll do all the necessary arrangements, and no item, as I said, will be allowed to be removed unless payment is made. Then just on that, ladies and gentlemen, please make sure that we pay our sellers out within 14 days, so that if you've removed your item and you've not declared to us that there's a problem within the first 14 days, then I can't help you, because then I've paid the seller. So if you want to cancel a transaction, you have to do it within the 14 days after you've inspected the vehicle. Dames en here, ladies and gentlemen, that is it. Enige vrae, any questions, I'll take them now. Righto, dames en here, ladies and gentlemen, there we are ready to start. We're going to start off with lot number 1. As I said, most of our buyers today are online on the Agrimark Truck and Trailer Auction Bids platform, as well as on Meerkat. You'll see with some of them we have already started pre-bidding, and there are pre-bids in, starting bids to start. Other than that, I'll call the bids to start. I will start with minimum prices at certain stages. If I say I will not start under a certain price, then I will not go under that. If we do not have an opening bid on what I say, dan skuif ons aan. Righto, ladies and gentlemen, here we go. Ready, let's start the first one. Kom ons start hom daar. Daar sê ek gaan vra dat Meerkat en Agrimark net so 'n bietjie nader staan, dat ons mense sien wat dit is, wat ons verkoop. Daar sê 'n lekker man, nice man. Man TGS 27-480, this is a 2014 model. It's got a radio in, side tip hydraulics, tires are in good condition, the overall truck is in very good condition. And as I said, this is a bad transaction. Loop hom vir my so 'n bietjie daar mooi. Daar sê dames en here, this is our first lot of the day. You can see very, very, very good condition. Have I got any opening bids over there on AgriMag? Hoe gaan hy nou hier? Skal hy ons met my moet praat met van jy hier agter? Niks op meer katsie. Niks op meer katsie. Right, ladies and gentlemen. And any offers, any bids, who will start me over there at 500,000 rand to start for the truck? 500,000 rand om te begin aan 500,000. Dankie, kan vir ons afskaal. Kom ons begin 'n bietjie laag. Kom ons begin 'n bietjie laag. Begin my daar so met 350. I will not start under 350,000 rand for the man. 350,000, any offers, any bids at 350 from Meerkat or from AgriMag? At 350,000 aan bid. At 350,000 is op Meerkat. At 350 now, I'll take 25 from here. At 350 now, at 350 now, at 350. At 350 now, at 350, at 350, at 350. Wie is ons koper daar? Casper at 350,000 at 350. At 350,000 now, advance at 350. I'm asking 375 now on the man. At 350,000, no further takers than 350,000. Ladies and gentlemen, just before I carry on, let me tell you, I will call all items with bids on today. I will call them STC. We will confirm for you immediately after the auction. If I've called an STC and you want to bid on something else, feel free to welcome that you can do it. Then, and we can cancel previous to what you bought. At 350,000 on the man at 350, get no further than 350,000. Going. I'm marking it at the STC at 350,000 and Lucky Casper. Right, ladies and gentlemen, let's move on to lot number 2. Lot number 2, starting from Stars as a man TGS 27,440. 2019 model, 2019 model. Only 435,000 reclock. Waarom daar? Hy's mooi. Side tip hydraulics, radio, the tires are good. The truck is in good condition. Daar sien jy mooi boelbaar op. En waar kan ek begin in die offers en die bids? Right, thank you. You can put it off. Have we got any offers, any bids there? Nobody, niemand online nie. Kom ons begin daar en begin jy my daar op 700,000. 700,000 on the man. Guys, to take 700,000, that's the minimum bid. I'll take as an opener. 700,000 rands. 700,000. Ek gaan nie tande trek nie, as daar niemand is op die man nie, dan skryf ek aan 700,000. Righto, kom ons kyk van, ladies and gentlemen, that's not sold. Kom ons staan daar, lot nummer 3, skryf ons voor en toe asseblief. Jy kan hom van start te bal. Daar sê man, kyk daar mooi, lot number 3. Man TJ's. Right, man, that's a very nice man TJ's, also 440 2018 model, 800,000 kilos op die klok. Aero kit, stone guard, fire extinguisher, bull bar, tires are good, condition is good. Hy het 'n mooi radio in. Daar sê manne, wat maak julle my daar? No starting bids at anybody. It's start me over there then at 600,000. 600,000 guys, that's what I'll start as a minimum bid. 600,000 rand to 600,000. To open me at 600,000. Niemand teen 600,000 nie. Dan gaan ek aanskuif. Let's move on. There's no takers at 600,000 to start. Right, start from ons daar, lot number 4 guys, another man TGS, 26480 Efficient Line 2017 model, 623,000 K's on the clock, radio, aerial kit, stands, stone guard, hydraulics, bar, bull bar, tires are good condition, daar sy start kom vir ons. Ons gaan net start, ons wil net wees, manne, hy is reg.
Vraag net sy moet my vrou koekie bring dan met die klaar op.
Right, manne, daar is lot nummer 4. Ek dink ons maak net lekker kontak aan nie, but gentlemen, ladies and gentlemen, I guarantee you this truck is 100%. This is a good runner, a good starter. 2017 model. Daar sê, any offers, any bids, wat sê niemand op aanlyn by ons nie. Right, manne, dan begin ek julle lekker laag op hierdie ene, hulle 400,000 to start. 400,000 rand to start. Online, guys, I'm telling you, this truck is in very good condition. 400,000 to start. Daar sê, waarom? Daar sê, guys, this truck is in really, really good condition. And 400,000 to start. That is the opening bid. I'll take an opening bid of 400,000. 400,000. Right, manne, 400,000. No takers at 400,000. Kom ons kyk aan, lyk my nie is manne vir die mens vandag nie. Righto. Kom ons gaan bietjie vorentoe asseblief. Dan gaan ons aan lot number 5 toe. Lot number 5, manne, hier's 'n mooie. Here's a nice one. Righto, Volvo FH440 2018 model, 800,000 Ks. Stone guard radio, side tipper hydraulics. Tires are good. Condisie is goed. Daar sê manne, start van ons. Waarom daar manne? Daar sê manne. Right, so ladies and gentlemen, then we go. Lot number 5. And I've got an opening bid var. Meerkat op 800,000 rand en 800,000 aan bid. 800,000 now, Meerkat en 800,000 rand en 800. At 800, I'll take 25s. I'm asking 825 and 800,000 aan bid. At 800,000 rand naar 800,000. At 800,000 naar 800. Are we all done at 800,000? Man, kyk wat verkoop ek. At 800,000 rand, dis 'n bargain. At 800,000 naar 800, almal nou klaar teen 800. Asking 825 or 825 soek ek. And 800,000 is almal klaar teen 800,000. No takers further than 800,000. Going. Gone at 800,000 rand en ek merk om STC. Dankie Casper, op Meerkat 800,000 skuif vir my vorentoe. Manne, nou kom ons by die Scania. G460, 2019 model, 800,000 kilos, 826,000 kilos. Radio, aero kit, side tip hydraulics, fire extinguisher, tires are good condition. Daar sê manne, dankie. Dan sê julle sien hom. Hierdie Scania is baie mooi. This is now lot number 6. And I can start the bidding. Het ons wat 700,000 aan bid op truck and trailer.
725.
At 725 en 725 op Meerkat.
At 725 at 725 at 725. At 725,000 at 725. At 725 now I'm asking 750. At 725 at 725. Are we all done at 725,000? At 750, is that on Agrimag? At 750 of Agrimag at 750. At 750 now, Piscania at 750. At 750,000 at 750. Are we all done at 750,000? We're all done at 750. For the first time, for the second time, for the derde en laaste maal, at 750,000 en dit is op truck and trailer, going, gone. 750 STC, wie is ons koper daar? En sy naam? Thank you, Moses. 750, we'll come to you back straight after the auction. At 750,000 rand. All right, gentlemen, we go on to lot number 7. Here's a new man. Here's a new man. I say this is a 2019 model, only 460 Ks. Light guard, side-up hydraulics, FSH, radio, tires are good, the condition is good. Hy's almal is mooi. Het ek iets by iemand? 700,000 I'm bid on Agrimag at 700 now, 700 now now. At 700,000 out of 700 or 750. At 750,000, 750 to 750. At 750, at 750 to 750. Are there no further takers now? I'll take 25. I'll take 25. At 700,000 I'm bid on Agrimag at 700,000 headache. 725 I'll take as the next bid. At 700,000 is 700,000 headache at 700. Is almal klaar teen 700,000? Going. Yep. At 725 I'm bid. Wie is that? At Arlo at 725 now I'm asking 750 to 725. At 725. At 725 will be at 725 Agrimag, you can come in. At 725,000 I'm bid at 725. At 725 we're all done at 725. At 725 where are you truck and trailer? At 725 now I'm bid at 725. Are we all done at 725,000? 750 on Agrimag. At 750 with truck and trailer. At 750,000 or 750. At 750 now 750 now 750. Are we all done now 750 or 775? At 775. At 775. Are we all done? For the first time. For the second time. For the third and last time at 750,000 on truck and trailer. Going, gone. At 750,000 rand, we just market STC. Dankie Hugo, at 750,000. Ons kom terug na jou toe direk na afloop van die veiling. Right, ladies and gentlemen. DAF XF 105-460. 2015 model. Is ek by die regte ene? Ek is nie. Baie dankie. Ek check net of julle wakker is. Dankie. Right, manne, lot nummer 8. Lot number 8. Man TGS 27440. Also a 2019 model. 440,000 kilos on. Daar sy manne alles goeie kondisie and away we go. Anything, anywhere. Right, gentlemen, I will start an opening bid of 700,000 LP man. 700,000 to start and not 1 cent less. 700,000 to start. Are we no takers at 700,000? Then I'm going to move on.
Kom ons kyk van na die def toe. Lot number 9, 700. Lot number 9, daai def wat ek net nou geroep het. XF 105, 460, 2015 model, bull bar, side-tip hydraulics, tires are good, condition is good. 590,000 kilos, manne die def is nog mooi, daar kan julle sien. Righto, het ek iets by iemand? Nothing by nobody, gentlemen, I will start the bidding where? I'll start the bidding at 450,000. 450,000 to start only. I'm starting very low. 450 to start. Let's go a little lower. Let's start at 400,000. Kom ons begin by 400,000. 400,000 to start. Guys, I'm not going to start less than 400,000 on the depth. No takers at 400,000 to start. Dan skuif ons aan. Lot nummer 10. Lot nummer 10 gaan 'n bietjie vorentoe vir my.
Casper 700.
Righto, Volvo FH440 2018 model. Ek sien Casper is weer daar. Daar's 'n 2018 model 736,000 Ks. Guys, side-tip hydraulics is a retarder. Hy het 'n retarder op. Sy radio, tires are good, good condition. Hy is nog baie mooi. Hy is nog baie mooi. En ek kan start the bidding by Casper. Julle kom maar vir my start. And to start 700,000. Ons gaan hom net gou start daar. 700,000 aan bid with Casper. Right man, I guarantee you, my is reg, en sy die start, en hy is nie reg nie, gee hom terug vir my. 700,000 het ek by Casper, en 700 now is 700. I'm asking 725, I'll take it, 700,000 aan bid. Is almal klaar teen 700,000? Almal klaar ingesit, doodgeslaan teen 700,000 by Casper. Op meerkaart, going. Kan Casper 700,000, daar manne, julle kan hoor. Righto.
Hoeveel? Okay.
Righto manne, daar sê hy in Man TGS 27440 2018 model. Aluminium rims, radio, aerial kit, stone guard, fire extinguisher, bull bar, tires good, overall condition very good. As hy manne, and I can start the bidding at AgriMag at 500,000. The grand. 500,000, I'm with AgriMag now to 500 now, but asking 550. It's 500,000 now to 500 now, to come over 500 to 500 now, man. It's 500,000 of AgriMag to 500 now to 500. At 500,000 now, we all bid all done at 500,000. At 500,000 rand, niemand meer as 500, was julle nou? At 500,000 now to 500,000 rand to 500. Is somewhat klaar teen 500,000. Dit kan nie wees nie. Het 550 now to 550 aan bid. At 550,000 now to 550 to 550 to 550. Is somewhat klaar teen 550 now, AgriMag, it's your turn. Contract and trailer, it's your turn. I've got 550 now, I'm asking 600,000 guys, it's nothing for this truck. At 550,000 now, we're all done at 550. Then 550,000. Are we all done at 550? Kom ons maak die incremente klein. Let's go to 25s. I'll take 575. I'll take 575.
500,000, 550 het ek altyd 575. I'm giving up bidder, wie is ons beer daar so op truck and trailer? Moses, my friend, I'm giving you a chance. I've got 550, don't lose it for 25,000 rand. At 550, asking 575 Moses. No more than 550,000. All done. Going. Gone. At 550,000 and it's STC. Right, ladies and gentlemen, kom ons by een van die mooiste trokke van die dag. Yes, one of the best of the day. Best of the day. Best of the day. Hoor hom daar. Hy kwester daar. Nissan GW440 2020 model. Guys, listen, only 300,000 kilos. Only 300,000 kilos. Side to hydraulics, aluminium rims, radio tires, good. Guys, this truck is in immaculate condition. And I can start the bidding now at 600,000 out of 600,000 on bid. At 700,000 on bid. At 700,000 on Tetaker, 700,000, I'm asking 750. At 700,000, I'm asking 750. At 700,000 on the Quester, 700. At 700,000, guys, you cannot lose it for this. At 700,000 out of 700. At 700,000 rand, I'm asking 750. At 700,000, I'm asking 700. At 700,000 out of 700,000. At 700, it is 777. I'll take 25. I'm asking 725 now to 700,000 on bid. Is allemaal klaar teen 700,000. Maar kyk wat verkoop ek. At 700,000. No further than 700. Ladies and gentlemen, I am a bit short on this one. I'm not even going to STC it. Kom praat met my met hom. Laat ons kyk waar kan ons uitkom. Agreement, just keep your bio also there for us so that we can negotiate afterwards. Thanks. Right, ladies and gentlemen, lot number 13, lot number 13. Daar's nog 'n Volvo'tjie daar. Lot number 13, 2018 model, Stone Guard, side to hydraulics, radio, tires good. Manne, daar sien julle die trok is mooi. And I can start the bidding way. Nobody online. I'll start the bidding at a minimum of 700,000. Guys, I'll open up for you at 700,000 or I move on. Nobody in at 700,000. Let's move on to lot number 14. Scania G460 2018 model, 943,000 Ks, hydraulics are good, tires are good, good condition. There we go, guys, there you see. And I can start the bidding on truck and trailer for 500,000 on bid. At 500,000 out of 500,000, 500. I'll take 25s. At 500,000, I'm asking 525. At 500,000 out of 500, 500. At 500,000 to 500,000.
Hey.
Where are we with Agrimag?
525 neerkant.
550 op Agrimag. At 550,000 on Agrimag now to 550. At 550 now to 550 to 550. And someone clocked in 550. Come on guys, I'm asking 575. Kyk wat ek verkoop. At 550,000 out of 550. I'm asking 25s only. At 550 out of 550. Are we all done at 550,000? Going. Gone. 550,000 on truck and trailer.
En ons merk om STC. Right, guys, lot number 15, 2017 model, FMX 440 Volvo. There we go, guys. Het ek enigiets by enigiemand? And I'll take an opening bid here also of 700,000, 700,000. 700,000 to start. Guys, I'm not going to start under 700,000. Is daar niemand in op 700,000 nie? Let's move on. Kom ons kyk aan. Lot number 16 to Alright, Volvo FH440 2018 model. And I have 700,000. At 700,000 on AgriMag. 700,000 by truck and trailer now, bidder 700,000. It's 700,000 rand to 700. Is our klaar teen 700,000 rands. Are we all done at 700,000 out of 707? Manne, kyk wat verkoop ek. Lot number 16. I'm only at 700,000 now. It's 700,000 now, I'm asking 750. It's 700,000, niemand meer dan 700. Are we all done at 700? Going. Gone. 700,000 STC op truck and trailer. Lot number 17, Diamond Warehouse of 2019 model this time. 687,000 Ks. Het ek iets by iemand? Right, guys, I'm going to open up at 700,000 here, please. 700,000 to start. 700,000. No one in at 700,000. If there are no takers to start at 700,000, I'll move on. Kom ons kyk van na lot nummer 18 to die Volvo Kida. Hier's 'n mooi ene. Volvo FH440 2019 model. 693,000 kilos. Right, manne, daar sy. That's excellent condition. Het ons iets by iemand? At 700,000 op truck and trailer AgriMag, now I'm asking 750. At 700,000 out of 700,000 rand, het ek 700. At 700,000 rand, is allemaal klaar teen 700,000. Are we all done at 700,000? Is 777?
Yep. 750
Arlo at 750, dankie op meerkaart. At 750 now, 800. At 800,000 rand, bid neer 800,000 rand op truck trailer. At truck and trailer 800,000, manne, hier is ons een van die mooistes. At 800,000 naar 800,000 rand, het ek 800,000 now, we're asking 850. At 800,000 naar 800,000 rand, het ek op meerkat op 800,000. At 800,000. Wat het ek 850?
800 op truck en trailer.
800 truck and trailer, sorry, 800 truck and trailer. At 800,000. At 800,000, are we all done at 800,000? Going. Gone. 800,000 truck and trailers, welkom STC.
Nog 'n stuk water daar.
Moenie brande nie.
650.
Okay. Lot number 19, Volvo FH440 2018 model. Manne, daar sê, and I've got an opening bid op meerkat vir 650,000. I'm asking 700,000 now. Guys, come on, this is it. At 650 het ek 'n 650 now I'm asking 700. At 650 en 650 en 650 en 650. As almal klaar teen 650,000. Almal klaar teen 650. Kasper, ek is baie kort op daai ene, ek gaan hom los. Maar jy kan met ons kom praat, maar 650 gee my nie ruimte om te negotiate nie. Lot nummer 20, daar is ons FMX Volvo 440, 2018 model. En manne, waar kan julle my staan? Al staan jy daar so uit 'n lekker lae prysie. Hulle maak julle my daar so 650,000 or 650. At 650,000 650, I'm asking 7. At 650,000 or 650 nou. En someone klaar teen 650. At Frans 700. At 650. Is almal klaar teen 650. Dames en heren, Kersfees is in Desember, dis nie vandag nie. Kom ons los hom, ek is te ver weg, ek kan ook die STC daar nie. Right to lot number 21. Asset manne, hier is op 2019 model. And Stone Guard side to hydraulics, radio tires are good, alles is reg, is mooi. Only 580,000 clicks. En dan wat maak julle my daar? Gentlemen, I want to start the bidding at 800,000 please. 800,000 rand to start. 800,000. Mense, die goed wat ek verkoop hier vandag is goeie kondisie. Julle gaan nie fout maak nie, gee terug as ek nie is soos wat ek sê nie. 800,000 to start. Right, kom ons gaan aan lot number 22. Lot number 22. Right, guys, lot number 22. Man TJS 27440 2018 model. 800,000 kilos, daar hoor jy my start is mooi, hy is goed. En dan wat maak julle my daar? I'll start the bidding over here at, okay man, ek help julle vandag, 600,000 to start. 600,000 op die man, 600,000 to start. Julle kan sien wat ek verkoop, 600,000. 600,000. Almal klaar, nobody in at 600. Ons kyk van lot nummer 23 toe.
My ook inskakel.
Lot nummer 23, manne, daar is kan nie daar. 2019 model. Hoor julle om. Lot number 23. Het ek iets by iemand? Right, manne, I'll start the bidding at 550,000. Ek gaan lekker laag begin. 550,000 to start. Niemand en op 550,000. Kom ons los op dan, ons gaan lot nummer 24 toe. G460 2018 model. Hy het side to hydraulics op, tires is redelijk. Right, guys, this one is in fair condition. Daar sien julle om. En dan begin julle my hier so op wat. Guys, I'll start at 550,000. Yeah, it will help. 550,000 to start. No takers at 550,000. Right manne, kom ons los hom dan. Dan gaan ons aan na lot nommer 26 toe. Kyk hom gou baie mooi hierso. Manne, julle weet hierdie goeders is skaars. Tank Clinic tri-axle semi-trailer tanker 2012 model. 48,000 liters. Het sy pompe, sy meters, super single tires is in goeie kondisie. Guys, this is in a very, very, very good condition. Hier moet julle nie uitverloor nie. Het ek enigiets op Meerkat of op Agrimac? Guys, I'll help you here. Start me at 800,000. Begin my op 800,000. 800,000 to start. Kom ons kry net gou Meerkat se klankes af. At 800,000 to start. Guys, moenie uitmis hierso nie. Hierso is 'n kans. 800,000 to start. Niemand in op 800,000 nie. Right, kom ons kyk van, kom ons gaan na die side tippers toe. Right, lot number 27 manne, hierso sy. Paramount 45 Cube side tipper, 2020 model. Spare wheel carrier, 2 box. Tires are fair. Condition is good. Right, guys. Is daar iemand met iets van my hierso? I'm highly negotiable on these trailers, guys. Please, but moenie uitverloor nie. Lot 27, I will start the bidding. Hier kan julle sien, manne, die trailer is mooi. I'll start the bidding at 350,000 only. 350,000, 350 to start. No starters at 350, dan skuif ons aan. Let's go to lot number 28. Manne, hier is 'n lekker ene, Afrit 45 Cube, side tipper, 2020 model. Spare wheel carrier, tires are good. Die wa is in uitstekende kondisie, hy is regtig baie mooi. Right, manne, hier's ook, I'll start the bidding at 400,000 rand. 400,000. 400,000 to start. Guys, I guarantee die trailers, is baie mooi. 400,000 to start. If there are no takers at 400,000, kom ons kyk van na die volgende ene. Right, manne, kyk mooi, sy track bodies 25 Cube, side tipper, ook 2020 model. Sy tops en alles is mooi. Lifting out. Tires are good. Spare wheel carrier, 2 box. Het ek enigiets? Manne, ek gaan weer lekker laag begin. 350,000 to start. 350,000 op die SA track body. Side tipper. 350. Niemand in op 350 nie. Kom ons kyk van lot 30 toe. Lot nommer 30.
Daar sê leader 45 cube side tipper 2019 model. Dis manne, hy is baie mooi. Speelwood carrier, tires are good, tops are good. Baie goeie kondisie. En dan wat maak julle by daar? Ek kap julle op aan die min, 350. 350 te start. 350. Kom hier, kat. Truck and trailer, waar is jy? Trying to give you guys truck goed vir die. Jy wil nie vat. Kom ons kyk van lot 31. This is a top trailer, 45 cube, side tipper, 2015 model. Speelwheel carrier, tires are good, maar in excellent condition. Hierdie trailer is regtig baie mooi. En ons start te bidding at 300,000. 300,000. 300,000 te start. En hy is rooi. Miskien die altyd. Hoe rooier, hoe mooier. Miskien moet ek nie nou, maar ek moet sê een rooi trailer, een geel trailer, een blauw trailer. Maar nou, ek kan nie onder 300. Hierdie is regtig baie. Right, kom ons kyk van lot number 32. Number 32. SA truck body is 30 cube side tipper. 2010 model, fighting steering bracket, tires are good, tops are good. Overall very good condition. Maar hier sal ek baie laat. At 180,000 het ek op meer kaart. 180,000 on bid, I'll take 200,000 now. At 180,000 is 180. At 180 er 180 er 180 nou. Is allemaal klaar in 180,000. Are we all done at 180,000? Manne, dit kan nie wees nie. At 180,000, I'm asking only 200. At 180,000, are we all done at 180? Kasper, ek gaat omloos. Ek is 'n bietjie ver weg daar. Maar ook nie so heeltemal ver nie, maar ons sal praat. Lot number 33. Lot 133, daar is 'n manne dieselfde. Dis sy ding, daar sê, and I bid 150,000 on truck and trailer. 150,000 on bid. At 150 now, I'll take it in tenth. At 175 now, 175 now, 175. At 175, we'll get cut up asking 200. At 175 now, 175 and 175. Are we all done at 175,000? 175,000 is allemaal klaar, 175. Contractor trailer, it's your turn now. What's happening to you guys? There's no bidding wars today. At 175,000 or 175 or 175. I'll take it in 10. 175, asking 185. At 175,000. Going. Well, Casper, variants, is a bit short. Let's go to lot number 34. Lot number 34, manne, daar sê dieselfde. And 180,000 on bidder, 180 and I'm asking 200. At 180, or I'll take 190. At 180 now, 180, 180. At 180,000, we all done at 180,000. Is allemaal klaar in 180,000. Maar ons is so naby met hierdie goedes, maar so ver. So, ek gaan hom oplos. Let's go to lot number 35. $2010 model. Daar sê manne. This is a 45 cube side tipper, 2010 model. And I'm bid 150,000 on meerkats. Have I nothing wrong in there? At 150,000, I'm bidder 150 now, I'm asking 175. At 150,000 to 150. At 150, are we all done at 150,000? Manne wil die side tippers kopie. Kom ons kyk aan. Lot 36. Lot number 36. This is a 2016 model. Right guy condition is fair on this trailer. Begin by laag kassel 150,000. 150 to start. 150,000. No takers at 150. 125 by Junior op meer cards. At 125,000 up bidder 125. At 125,000 to 125. That's someone got in
120,000. 150. At 150 nou 150 to 150. At 150 nou was hy Junior. At 150,000 out of 150, I'm asking 175. At 150,000 out of 150 to 150, is someone klaar teen 150. 175 aan bid op meer cards. At Junior at 175 or 175 aan bid. At 175,000 out of 175. Is someone klaar teen 175. I'm asking 200 now to 175. At 175,000, are we all done at 175? At 200,000, at 200 now to 200. At Casper op 200,000 rand, nou word julle wakker. At 200,000 now, Junior, I want 225, please. At 200,000 now to 200,000. At 200,000, I'm better at 200 to 200. At 200,000 now to 200. Is almal klaar teen 200. Junior, let me help you, sir. I'll take it to 210. I'll take it in 10,000. 200,000, I'm bid. Junior, I'm waiting for you at 210. I'm waiting for 200,000, I'm bid. I'll take 210. Junior, give me another one in at 210,000. Don't lose out. This trailer's mooi. Meerkat, loop net gou vir my mooi om die trailer vir Junior. Let Junior just see this trailer nice. Julia, look at this trailer. My 210, Junior, you won't be sorry. I'm giving you a chance. At 200,000, I'm better. We all done at 200,000. Junior last chance at 210. Going. You're going to lose out.
Lot number 39, lot number 39, lot number 39. Is it correct? Sorry, lot number 38. Lot number 38. It's 37. Lot number 37. Right here, guys. This is an Efrit. One that's an Efrit. Topmaster side tipper 2008 model. Long range diesel tank. Fire extinguisher, tires good, as is annoying. And Casper in at 150,000, I'm bid now to 150 and a 150. At yellow at 50,000, I'm asking 175 now. At 150,000 and a 150, 150 and a 150. That's someone talking yellow at 50,000. And Junior's back at 175. At 175 now to 200,000, take care of another 200. At 200 now, I'll take it in 10s. At 200,000 out of 200,000, I'm asking 210. Guys, this is an effort. At 200,000, I'm bidding out of 200 days around it. At 200,000, I'm asking 210. At 200 days around, loop op net gou vir my mooie so 'n stukkie. At 200,000 now. At 200,000, truck and trailer just walking for me. At through from the side. At 200,000, guys, will you miss me? At 200,000 now, we're all done at 200 down. At 210, everybody. Junior of 210. At 210,000 now, bid at 210. At 215 days and up, junior at 210. Now we all done at 210,000. Going.
On. Move on to lot number 39. Lot number 39, guys, is 'n dolfynstaalwerke Soepelink. Flatdeck, daar's hy. Julle kan sien hy's mooi. Container lock. Collapsible headboard, toolbox, spare wheel carrier, tires are good. Guys, I can start the bidding on truck and trailer at 250,000. At 250,000 rand op die Soepelink at 250. At 250,000, I'm asking 275. At 250,000. At 250,000 at 250. At 250,000, we're all done at 250,000. At 250, I'm asking 260. At 250,000, I'll take it in tens.
Yep.
At 260, is that?
270 truck and trailer.
At 270 truck and trailer. At 270,000 out of 270 truck and trailer. At 270,000. Someone clocked in 270. Truck and trailer at 270,000. Going. Gone at 270,000. And we'll just make it STC. That's on agreement.
I am selling the whole combination. I'm selling the whole combination. Oh, 600. Speel nou met 600 op omlaag. So, goed die combinatie. Ek het ook geklop, dit het vastgemaakt op. Dus, ek geklop. 3 dekke achter, 2 dekke voor. Maar hier is een baie groot. Is mooi. Dis 'n kalder. Dis 'n kalder 10 meter. Kalder 10 meter drop-off trailer. Maar daarvoor hier is 'n baie goeie kombinasie.
En dan gaan hom as 'n geheel opveil, net soos wat hy is. And 400,000 op Meerkat. 400,000 rand het ek op Meerkat ter 400,000 aanbieder 400. At 400,000 I'm asking her 450. At 400,000 het ek Meerkat ter 400,000. Is almal klaar teen 400,000 rand ter 400. Hou jy al dan na 400,000. Manne, dit kan nie wees nie. Meerkat, waar is julle? Hier is julle kos. Come on, AgriMag, where are you? At 400,000, that's for the whole combination. The whole combination. At 400,000, I'm asking 450. Is almal klaar teen 400,000? Vir die eerste maal. Kom ons gee net gou kans daar. At 400,000. Kasper, ek is te kort op 400,000. Maar ons gaan praat, ons gaan kyk wat kan ons doen. Right. Merk hom net STC vir my. Right, maar ons gaan gou omry daar na die ander kant toe. En ons Hy toe manne kyk om daar mooi. Hierso is hy mooi. Almal kort tippers. Hierso is 'n lekker enetjie. Toyota DI352 tipper truck 1995 model 6 cubes. Tires are good. Manne, die kondisie is goed. Truck and trailer sign is net af. We're just going to give them a chance. They're ready.
Kom ons praat net gou na die tyd. Dan gaan ek vir jou sê hoekom. Nee, ons het tyd. Hoeveel tyd wil jy? So ons net gou kans. Ons net gou oproep of 2 maak na die tyd. Gee ons net
Right, manne, right Toyotaatjie, right tipper there. That tipper there. Well, okay, we're just waiting. We've got a technical hitch here. I say welcome back, Truck and Trailer Agri guys. We were just off there for a second or two. Right, guys, there, Toyota. Right, tippertjie daar. And to start me, manne, kom ek gaan julle sommer lekker laag. You start me 120,000, 120. Vir 'n tipper wat werk, hy's mooi, hy's reg. 120,000 en is 'n Toyota. 120 to start. Come on guys, 120 om te begin. Let's take it down one notch. Let's start it at 100,000. 100,000 om te begin. 100,000. Yes, manne, dis werk eers ons die. Right, kom ons los hom, kom ons kyk dan aan, lot number 42. Kyk bietjie vorentoe. Right, guys, look there, 2014 model Nissan UD 6 cube tipper. It's got only 290, 300,000 kilos on the clock. UD 85. Very good condition. Arlo op 350,000 op meerkaart. At 350 now, 350 to 350,000 on the tag. At 350,000 nou op die tipper 350. Manne, kyk, daai is mooi, sy bak is mooi. Die trok is mooi, die tyres is mooi. At 350,000 aan bid na 350 to 350. At 350 altyd 375. At 350,000 is allemaal klaar teen 350. Kom ons gaan laag, kom ons doen 10,000. Altyd 360, at 350,000 aan bid. 350,000 rand is allemaal klaar teen 350. Arlo ingesit, doodgeslaan. Ek gaan met jou praat na die tyd, Arlo, short so bietjie daar, maar ek gaan met jou praat. Right, kom ons kyk aan, let's go to the forklift, kom ons gaan na die forklift toe. Start om mooi, tel hom vir ons al bietjie mooi op, laat allemaal kan sien hoe mooi werk hy. Maar hy is 'n Mitsubishi, hy is 'n 3 ton gas forklift, 2011 model, tyres are mooi, kyk daar so. Die forklift is mooi. Right, gentlemen, I'll start the bidding over here, not 1 cent less than 80,000 rand. 80,000 rand op die forklift, 80,000 rand. 80,000 rand to start on the forklift, 80,000, man, hy is mooi. Daar sien julle. 80,000 rand on the forklift. No takers at 80,000 rand on the forklift. Right, kom ons gaan aan na die excavator toe, guys. Kyk nou net baie mooi hierso. Hier's in New Holland. Kyk net nog 'n bietjie aan, Steven, dat hom net vir ons mooi wys. Kyk hoe mooi. New Holland E216 BLC excavator. 21 ton, 21 ton. Only 5,200 hours. Die kondisie is goed. Tel hom 'n bietjie op daar. Kyk aan man, hy's mooi. Daar is die papier op hom nie. Man, die excavator is mooi. Say, right manne, daar sê. And I can start the bidding. Ek kan begin op Meerkat. Het 550,000. Alle 550,000. Het 550,000, nou dit kan nie wees net vir dit nie. Het 550,000 na 550 op die excavator. Het 550,000, en waar is julle manne nou die werk gaan baie word. At 550,000, julle gaan nie weer so 'n excavator vir die geld kry nie. At 550,000 at 550. At 550, I'll take it in 25s. Ek vra 575 at 550 aanbid. At 550,000 at 550. Is almal klaar teen 550,000. Manne, dit kan nie wees nie. Ingesit, doodgeslaan vir 'n New Holland of 400 of 550. At 575 on Agrimag. At 575 now to 575. At 575. At 575 manne, dit kan nie wees nie. At 575, 575. At 575 make 600.
Yes.
At 600. 600,000 Arlu. At 600 now I'm asking 625 Agrimag come in. At 600,000 now to 600. Guys, we're way off what the value is here. At 600,000 out of 600,000. That's almost like 600,000. Let's do it in small ones. 610. 610. I'll take 610. Truck and trailer. Wie is ons man daar truck and trailer? Is it my friend from KZN? My friend from KZN, it's me again. Please do 610 for me, sir. You will not be sorry. 610,000, please. You will not be sorry. You will not get this bargain again. At 600,000, but I'm asking 610. 610,000. Make 610. At 610. At 610,000 now, I'm better 610. Are we all done at 610,000 on Agrimag? Is almal klaar teen 610? Meerkat was julle. At 610, I'll take 620. Are we all done at 610,000 for the first time? For the second time at 610,000. Third and last time. Gone. 610. My friend from KZN, just STC, will come back to you straight after the auction, but thank you very much for your support. Right, guys, here is the chance of the bargain of the day.
Description net daar verkeerd. Dis 'n 416 nie 428 nie en
Ek was ja, ek was okay. It's a 416. Skryf net daar, it's a 416.
94 nie 94.
And it's a 94 model.
Righto, guys, let's just tell them net vir my bietjie daar mooi op.
Guys, this is a cat. Net 'n regstelling daarso. This is a 416B and it's a 1994 model. Daar kan jy sien hy werk. Hy's mooi, tires are good, condition is good. And this is a 416B, a 416B, a 1994 model. A mooi tel bietjie. At 210,000 op AgriMag aanbid at a 210. At 210,000 now at a 210, at a 210, at a 210. At 210 now for this 416B. At 210,000 now at a 210, at a 210. At 210,000 rand, daar is allemaal klaar teen 210,000. Allemaal klaar teen 210. 210, meerkant was julle. At 210. Are we all done at 210?
Yep.
At 220 op meerkaart. At 230 op truck and trailer. At 230 now at 230,000 TTAC. At 240 Arlo. At 240,000, at 250 op AgriMag. At 250,000 at 250. At Amarkat in 250,000. Going. Gone. 250,000. Amarkat of AgriMag.
Very much, I appreciate it. Right, gentlemen, last lot of the day. Man TGS 27440. This is a non-runner. This is a non-runner. It needs a computer box. Engine mechanics are fine, I call it a computer box, is that correct? Just needs a computer box. Guys, and I can start the bidding way. 300,000 op AgriMag and 300,000 on bid. That's allemaal klaar teen 300,000 rand op die man. Are we all done? At 300,000. I'll take 310, I'll take. At 310 I have. At 310,000 on bid. At 320 on AgriMag. At 320 on bid. As allemaal klaar teen 320. At 320. Are we all done at 320,000? Going. Gone. 320,000 STC, allemaal klaar. Ladies and gentlemen, that concludes our auction today. Meerkat, bye, donkey. As well as truck and trailer AgriMag auction bids. We thank you very much for your support today. Please look out for our next auctions. We've got a very nice generator auction coming up. Moed dit nie mis nie, go onto our websites on AgriMag and on truck and trailer and on Meerkat and on Procore. Kyk uit vir ons veilings en ons dankie. We thank you for today and for those that are traveling, Godspeed, mooi loop. We'll see you on the rebound. Thank you.